What's up? Oh yeah, I just subscribed to this new person. Her name is Michaela, and oh my goodness, I was on the live last night, and she is freaking hilarious. But anyways, let me stop playing. What's up, T-Gang? I'm just playing, but for real. I think I thought of a name that I would like to name my subscribers. What do y'all think about sweet teas? Like, cause I'm sweet and I'm tea, and I mean, y'all sweet to me. So, what do y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. So, yeah, let's get into these edges though. Okay, so to talk about this edge control, like I said, it's called Even 24-hour edge timer, and it's true. 24 hours, it will hold your edges. They have different holds. This one is extra firm hold. It is like so much edge control in here. Like they feel it, they don't feel it like to the top, but they feel it at a good amount. And then even once you get down to this point, it's still some at the bottom that you can scrub, and even around the sides that you can scrub. Like I've had this for a while, and they have an even bigger one that I'm gonna get next time. It's probably like $10 or something, but I know the bigger you get, it comes in handy. But yeah. So y'all probably like, okay, girl, you still talking. Alright, so you know, just kind of brush what you want out or whatever, and how you want them to look. Y'all love my edges, but like I told y'all, I'm still not so good at this. A lot of people use their comb in, and I really don't even use the comb in. So really don't even need that much. But yeah. So I probably should take my lashes on, but y'all know what's so funny? Everybody always talk about how I do my hair in the car, but I literally will think of something and I'll be like, let me do this, and people just drive by or walk by and they look at me and I just smile because I'm different and I know it, but it's okay. If y'all can hear the cars and stuff in the background, I apologize. Okay, let's get the landing edges. Yeah, watch this don't even turn out as good as you think it is. See, like that hole? It's like windy. And sometimes my hair is like really, really soft, and like sometimes I have to go over it a few times or whatever, cause like right here it's really, really soft. Okay, so this is like not my best, but I told y'all I'm still learning, and like they literally look different each time I do them. I don't know, but overall I think they look edges. I don't know. But this is probably my second edge control update video or whatever. As you can see, these edges are laid. Let me know what you think. Even if you like this little twist out, you know, it's not all that, but the girl got a little definition, you know what I'm saying? Your girl got a little definition. I look cute. Y'all see how edges make a difference? Look at the boards. Look at them. Your girl needs to get her eyebrows done. But I'm in a stage where I don't know if I want to get them threaded, waxed, or do I want to pluck them myself. But y'all, I'm feeling myself. Y'all know y'all be feeling yourself once you get some other blades. But yeah, girl, I'm like a model now. Okay, so I give it to Lil Daisy. She was right. Your girl be wearing them edges. I did. Y'all, this part right here is so ugly to me, but I'm not about to fix it. I should just left it alone. I'm trying to hate it. Bruh. I'm not. We not doing this today. Sometimes you have to talk to your hair and tell your hair, we're not doing this today. I gotta name my hair, y'all. I haven't named it yet. But I just gave y'all a name. And tell me what y'all think. Do y'all like sweet teas? My sweet teas? Tell me what y'all think. Is my hair cute or no? And tell me, can y'all see a difference in my skin? Like, it's really clearing up. Like, I had to do it slow-mo. Oh, this one. Oh. Your girl got some hang time. The wind blew my hair. And tell me, can y'all see a difference in my skin? Like, it's really clearing up. Like, I'm just playing with. I'm gonna see y'all next time. I might take a picture or two and insert it in the video. I love y'all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up this video. If you love me, subscribe to my channel. And if you really love me, turn the notification bell on so you can always be the first one to see when I post another freaking video. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Gang gang.